Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the display you're adjusting, internal panel or external monitor, and that it's powered and connected. Open Settings, go to System then Display, or use Windows Plus and expand Display to reach the brightness slider. Once there, note whether the slider moves and whether Adaptive Brightness or HDR is enabled, because those features override manual control. Make adjustments now to observe immediate change. This initial check tells you if the issue is settings or drivers. Next, update drivers and verify power settings because outdated drivers often block brightness control. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters and Monitors, right-click and choose Update Driver for each. Then open Control Panel's Power Options and select Balanced or High Performance, and click Change Plan Settings, change Advanced Power Settings to disable Adaptive Brightness if listed. Once done, restart Explorer or the PC to ensure the new drivers and power preferences take effect. This clears conflicts between driver software and Windows controls. For final fixes, roll back the display driver in Device Manager or uninstall and reinstall it if updating didn't help, because corrupted drivers can break slider control. Also open your GPU control panel and Windows HDR or auto brightness settings to ensure they aren't forcing levels. If brightness remains stuck, run Windows Update or use a recent system restore point to undo problematic changes. Troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode. If brightness works there, a third-party app or driver is the culprit. Remove recent apps or drivers one at a time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.